Neela Sandh is a delightful waterfall situated in Saidan, Rawalpindi. It has numerous greenery, tall trees, and extensive mountains which are relatively secured with snow constantly. Neela Sandh has the accumulation of numerous lakes where guests who adore swimming unquestionably visit to enjoy with their families and companions. A staged arrangement of lakes with a precious stone water alongside the green knolls is referred to in local Rawalpindi named Neela Sandh. This entrancing outing spot is a fascination for the locals and nationwide voyagers.